something that came to my attention a while back is this whole idea of taking some bananas and freezing them and blending them up to the point where they actually resemble the consistency and texture of ice cream almost exactly. So I tried it out and I've been hooked ever since. It's incredibly simple to whip up a batch of this fake banana ice cream, also apparently known by some parts of the internet as nice cream, which I don't really love, but hey, I didn't come up with it. Anyway, if you're a fan of banana flavor and frosty ice cream-like desserts, this one's practically a no-brainer. And you can add all sorts of other ingredients to come up with new flavors for your banana ice cream, such as chocolate or strawberry. And in this video, we're going to do exactly that. We're going to make 3 super simple batches of banana ice cream, 1 vanilla, 1 strawberry, 1 chocolate, give it all a taste. And that's it. It's going to be super simple, super tasty, so let's get into it. A result of a shopping list miscommunication, I ended up with a bunch of extra bananas that I don't need right now and will not be able to eat before they go bad. So I'm going to freeze them to use later, which presents the perfect opportunity to make some of this frozen banana, quote, ice cream. So I'm going to freeze them to use later, which presents the perfect opportunity to make some of this frozen banana, quote, ice cream. I'll start with flash freezing. I'll peel the bananas, cut them into quarters, and lay them out on a parchment-lined baking sheet. I'll put the whole thing in the freezer for a couple hours to get those banana pieces nice and hard. At which time, I'll load them up into a vacuum seal bag, vacuum seal that bag with my food saver machine, and throw it back in the freezer. Now, it'll be ready to use in a few days when I'm ready to make the rest of this ice cream video. Okay, it's a few days later, and I'm ready to make this stuff. So I'll cut open my bag of frozen banana pieces, and we're going to start with the vanilla flavored dessert. I'll be making 3 small batches, for which I will need 2 bananas worth of pieces for each. So into the food processor goes 8 of those banana quarters, followed by 2 tablespoons of almond milk, or whatever type of milk you prefer, then 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt, or 1/8 of a teaspoon. Now I'll put the lid on the processor and give it a few quick pulses to start breaking down those frozen banana chunks. The first few rotations of that blade are going to be a bit turbulent, but it'll quickly chop up those chunks and it will all go smoothly from there. I also forgot that the lid of this particular food processor does not seal especially well, as made evident by the bit of liquid spraying out when I turned this thing on. I subsequently remembered to put a towel over it. Anyway, I'll resume pureeing my mixture for about 20 to 30 seconds until I've got a smooth, creamy, fluffy concoction that, well, very closely resembles ice cream. And as I go, I'll stop once or twice to scrape down the sides of the container just to make sure everything is getting lots of contact with the blades. And there we have it, a beautiful bowl of vanilla and banana flavored non-dairy ice cream. This is the perfect consistency for me, almost like soft serve. But if you like it a bit more firm, just throw the bowl in the freezer for a few minutes. Next up is strawberry. The process is basically the same. Throw 8 banana chunks in the processor, but this time we're adding in about 2 cups of whole frozen strawberries. No vanilla extract, but we will add 1 tablespoon of almond milk and a pinch of salt. Pulse it a few times with a towel in place this time for those first few rotations, then just blend away until it's creamy and amazing. In my opinion, better than real strawberry ice cream. It just tastes like real strawberries and not strawberry flavoring. Last up is chocolate. 8 banana chunks in, a pinch of salt, and some regular old chocolate syrup. As much or as little as you want. I've seen other recipes that call for cocoa powder, but you may need to add sugar to balance out that bitter chocolate powder. Anyway, process it all until smooth, and voila. It's actually kind of hard to decide which of the 3 flavors is my favorite. The chocolate's very good, but I'm not as big of a fan of chocolate as I am other flavors. You can't go wrong with vanilla, but I think the strawberry in this case might be my favorite. the frozen strawberries just work very well with the banana. I will say in all three cases, it does have a very banana-forward flavor. So you're not going to get vanilla or chocolate or strawberry ice cream. You're going to be getting vanilla banana or banana strawberry or banana chocolate. In any case, it's a very tasty and satisfying ice cream substitute in both flavor and consistency. Is it a full-on replacement for ice cream? Well, I don't know. I may not always want to have my ice cream pretty banana flavored, so I still enjoy some of the other non-dairy versions of ice cream from time to time. Anyway, if you want to see the exact recipes that I made in this video, I'll put them in the video description below. You want to check them out. And be sure to like and subscribe to stay up to date with all our latest stuff, including future food and snack making videos. And consider supporting us on Patreon at patreon.com/Great Lakes Country. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'm John, and this is Great Lakes Country.